Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how can you make a card over effect using Elementor. So here, let me show you the demo. So here you can see when I hover on a card, so it's showing me this beautiful effect. So here you can see, here it is. So let me show you how can we achieve this. So just open any Elementor page so that your page is on Elementor. So let me just click on here on plus icon. So I will add a section here and then I will click on add new container. Then I will choose the flex box here. Then I will choose these four containers here. And here I will click on my main container here and I will go to the style tab here. I will choose the background type here and I will choose a color. So let me choose a color. So here it is. So I will choose this color here. And here after that I will just go to the advanced tab and here I will make 100 padding from top, right, bottom and left. And then after that I will just click on my inside of this container. So my internal container here now, and here I will just make the minimum height here. Let me just make it 300 pixels. So here you can see, and then I will go to style and here background tab I will choose an image here. So let me choose an image here. So I will choose this image and now it's not showing anything. So I will just go to my image settings and here I will make the position center attachment. I will make it default as it is. Repeat, I will make it no repeat. Display, so I will make it cover. So now you can see it's looking quite good. And then after that I will go to the advanced section here and here I will make the padding 0. So now you can see, and after that I will just go to the layout here and here I will make the justify content and because I am just adding another container inside of this container and I want to show that content at the end. So I will just click on element, my widget section here and just I will drag and drop and another container. So now remember I will call this one internal container and this one external container and this is our main section or main container. So in the internal container, I will just go back to my widget section here and I will drag and drop a heading. Here it is. And I will just name it card title. And then I will go to the style type here, typography. So I will make the size 20 and then I will just change the color black into white. So here it is. I will go back again and I will just drag and drop a text inside of my internal container. And here, let me just remove some of the text. So here it is. And I will go to the style tab, typography. I will make the size 16 and then I will change the color. So let me make the color white and I will go back again into my widget section. I will just drag and drop inside of my internal container. I will go to the style tab here and the text color I will make it white and here the background type I will make it transparent. Here you can see, and the border tab I will make it solid. Border width I will make it 1 and then I will just make the border radius here 30 from all sides. So here you can see now it's looking good. So now inside of this container I will just click on my this container and then I will go to the style tab here and here I will choose gradient and here I will choose my first color here. Let me show you here this transparent color. So if you want to make it exactly like this, so let me show you the here you can see this is our code and then in the secondary color, so I will just copy this color here. So now you can see this is our code. So now it's looking quite good. So here you can see. So now in the advanced tab, I will just make 10 padding from all sides. So here you can see 10 padding from all sides for my internal container. So now it's done. So just click on your main container here and go to the advanced section here, and here just go to the custom CSS and copy paste this code here. So I will provide you this code in the comment section or in the description section so you can copy paste this code. So now just copy this code content here, just copy the code content, and here click on your internal container here, go to the advanced tab here and go to CSS classes and just paste this code here. Okay, and then here just again go to your main container and go to the CSS again, and here custom CSS, just copy this card wrapper, just copy this code and just click on your external container here, go to the advanced section here and go to the CSS classes here and paste this code here, code wrapper. So this is actually the class name. So now you can see when I hover here, but we have some kind of problem here. So how can we fix this problem? Just click on external container, this container here, and go to layout and then go to additional options here and make the overflow here hidden. So now you can see over, 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 over. So now I will just duplicate this one and duplicate my third container, and then I will duplicate four container, and then here I will delete these. So let me delete this one, let me delete this one, and let me delete this one here as well. So now you can see we don't have any gaps here. So let me click on my main container here. Let me just go to the layout, and here let me just make the gaps 20, 20. So now you can see we have these gaps, and now you can see, let me just change the images from here. Let me just go to the style tab here and let me just choose the images here. So for example, I will insert this one here, and here inside of this one I will just quickly change the images. Let me just insert this image here, and in the third and the final and the fourth and the final, let me go to the style tab and let me change this image as well. So for example, let me add this one here. So you can see it's looking quite good here, here, and here. So let me just show you the mobile view here. So you can see it's not looking good because we have this huge padding here. So let me just remove the padding here. So for example, let me just make it one. So you can see here, here, and here. So it's little bit showing something like that. So if you want to show it little bit higher, the card title, so let me just go to the advanced tab, and here in the custom CSS, so let me just make this one here 120. So now you can see it's looking quite good. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so kindly ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.